Find the probability that at least one of the two surgeries are successful. So the key phrase here is at least one, and there are two methods for solving this question. So we want to look at all of the different scenarios that it means by at least one. So that could mean that only surgery 1 is successful. It could mean that only surgery 2 is successful. Or it could mean that both are successful. And we need to add up all of the probabilities for these three scenarios. And we've already calculated them in the previous questions. So this is 0.0475 plus 0.0475 plus 0.9025, and that is equal to 0.9975. The second method is to look at the complement. So the phrase at least one means one or more. So the complement would be none are successful. So if you took 1 minus 0.0025, which is what we calculated to be the probability of none of them being successful, then you will get 0.9975, which is the same thing.